Hello Internet, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Hella Midnight dual horns and the horn relay wiring harness on any car or bike. Open the bonnet. In the Swift, the horn is usually located behind the front bumper or near the radiator area. If required, slightly remove the bumper for easy access. And unplug the fog lamp coupler and remove the bumper. So let's get started by removing the old stock horns. Disconnect the horn clips. Using 12 mm socket wrench, remove the horn. Here I am going to replace the stock horns with Hella Midnight Black Symphony horns. Unplug the two horn clips and remove the old horn using 12 mm socket. Alright guys. So this is the 12-volt horn relay wiring harness for cars and bikes from NICAVI. And trust me, if you're upgrading your horn, this harness is not optional. It's super important. Skip this, and your horn won't even last a year. So don't make that mistake, install the relay harness and do it right the first time. Let's route this wiring harness neatly through and behind the radiator support, all the way to the battery positive terminal. Make sure it's sitting safely, away from heat and moving parts, and lock it in place with zip ties for a clean, secure install. Next, we're going to firmly mount the relay onto the radiator support. Luckily, there's already a 10 mm threaded hole right here, making it super easy to secure the relay properly. I'll also use this same point for the ground wire, giving us a solid and reliable connection. Now let's connect and install the relay onto the wiring harness securely. Make sure every connection is tight and locked in, no loose contacts. Now, using a 10 mm bolt, I'm attaching the relay and the ground wire firmly onto the radiator support. Tight, secure, and vibration-free. Now it's time to install the new Hella Midnight horn onto the car. Mount it securely, make sure it's firm. Now simply plug in the horn clips from the wiring harness onto the horn terminals. Make sure they click in tight and secure. And now, repeat the same process on the other side horn. Secure the mount, plug in the wiring harness clips properly, and make sure everything is tight. Connect the horn clips to the horn. Now connect the input signal wires from the car's original horn wiring to the relay harness. This lets the stock horn switch trigger the relay perfectly. Connect the positive wire from the wiring harness directly to the battery positive terminal. After connecting the wire to the battery, make sure to secure the fuse and the wiring harness to the car body using zip ties. Keep everything tight, safe, and away from heat or moving parts. And there you go. Horns fully upgraded, securely mounted, and ready to blast with full power. Clean install, solid setup, job done. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome installs and tips.